Hi, hello students. It's Tabassum, your English teacher from Dream India School, Kurut, and today I'm going to introduce a new topic of English grammar which is for CGBSE 9th standard. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to form the sentences with the construction not only but also. The construction not only but also is called a correlative conjunction. It is used to connect and emphasize two words and two phrases at the same position. We use not only but also to give more information. It can be used to list adjective qualities, nouns or verbs to show complementary qualities, quantities or actions, events and states. This correlative conjunction always come in pairs and they relate one part of the sentence to the other. So when do we use construction not only but also? Well, we use it when we have two things and we want to give a little extra emphasis to the second thing because it's even better or even worse or more surprising or more impressive or more shocking than the first thing. And second, the most essential rule to remember about using this structure is that two parts of speech must be parallel. Rules for not only but also. When coordinating two independent clauses with not only and but also. The first independent clause begins with not only, has question word order and is followed with a comma. Not only he is tired, here he is tired is first independent clause. The comma is followed by but also. The second independent clause in statement, word order and a period. For example, not only he is tired but also he is sick. Here we are having two independent clause and the comma is followed by the second independent clause, he is sick, before the conjunction but also. Now let us learn in detail when to use not only but also. The first way to use the conjunction not only and but also is when there is only one subject in the sentence and when we are talking about one person doing two different action or one person having two different qualities at the same time. Third, in the same way after not only we use first noun and second noun is used afterward also. Now we will look two examples of each to make it more clear. First, we will see the use of not only but also with nouns. Structure is subject plus verb plus not only plus noun plus but also plus second noun. Now look at these examples. First, I like not only cheesecake but also cake. Here we are talking about the same person I, where we are having two different nouns. Cheesecake is first noun, so it comes after not only, and cake is second noun. That's why it's come after but also to give an extra emphasis. Now, use of not only but also with adjectives. Structure is subject plus verb plus not only plus first adjective plus but also plus second adjective. This rule is when we have two adjectives in a sentence. Look at these examples. First, he is not only handsome but also intelligent. Here we are talking about the single subject, he having two different qualities which are handsome and intelligent. Handsome and intelligent are adjectives here which are describing the subject he. Second example, he is not only poor but also unemployed. Here poor and unemployed are adjectives. The second one is used to show worse situation of the subject. Now have a look on use of not only but also with verbs. This is used when we are talking about the same subject having two different verbs. For example, she not only dances extraordinary but also sings perfectly. Dances is first verb, sings is another verb here. Look at another example. They not only speak French but also speak English. Here speak is verb. Here we are having two verb, both are same but for different noun. Now use of not only but also for adverbs. Structure is subject plus verb plus not only plus first adverb plus but also plus second adverb. Sometimes there are two adverbs in a sentence. In that case, the first adverb will come after not only and the second adverb will come after but also. Let's have a look on these examples. He speaks Spanish not only naturally but also fluently. In this sentence, we are having two adverbs, naturally and fluently, which are describing the verb speaks for the single subject he. Look into another example. Mark worked not only carelessly but also hastily. Here, carelessly and hastily are adverbs describing the verb work for the subject Mark. Now we will learn another use of the conjunction not only but also. It is also used when there are two subjects in a sentence. Structure is not only subject 1 plus but also plus subject 2 plus according to tense. Here we will arrange the word after but also according to tense. Look at the examples given below. First, not only he but also you are telling a lie. Here we are talking about two different subjects. First is he and another is you. This is a present continuous tense and with the subject you we used are. Second example, not only Hina but also Sheena is watching television. Hina and Sheena are two different subjects here. It's a present continuous. So with the third person singular Sheena we have used is here. That's all in this video. I hope I follow your attention. Thank you for watching the video. I hope the whole concept is clear to you. Do share